Break time! Spaghetti! Boys, gusto niyo spaghetti? Are you competing with me?
Are you threatened?
Bring it on!
My spaghetti has stuff made with freshly picked tomatoes from the high mountain of Italy. What about yours?
My spaghetti has banana ketchup with antioxidant, antihistamine, anti-inflammatory, antibiotic, with glutathione and silymarin extract with ginkgo biloba E. But wait! Chicken lollipop made with bounty fresh spring chicken deep fried in olive oil.
It's all that you have, chicken lollipop. Like what the heck? I have some dessert that I concocted.
Concocted.
Oh yes, it's coconut cream with glutinous rice ball, fresh ripe jackfruit.
Sarah, ginataang bilo-bilo lang to, no? Pinapakain pag mahal na araw sa pabasa. Like, ew, sa jalad.
How dare you?